Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the switch so updates can apply cleanly. Power it or dock it and keep AC connected. Updates fail on low battery. Next, confirm Wi-Fi works. Open the eShop or settings to verify. Free at least 1 GB of storage. Long downloads or cache can block installation. Once done, go to System Settings System Update and attempt the update now. Doing these steps reduces the most common interruptions and gives the console resources to complete the process. If the automatic update stalls, restart the console fully, not sleep, and try again because a cold boot clears hung processes. Manually update the system first, then any game showing an error. Sometimes the game version conflicts with a pending system patch. If the issue persists, disable auto updates, download the problematic update manually, and re-enable auto updates after success. This isolates the failing component and prevents repeated background attempts that can corrupt partial files or overload the finish by confirming the update completed and the console boots to the home menu. If errors remain, delete the Wi-Fi profile and reconnect. Set DNS to a public server temporarily if your ISP blocks Nintendo services. As a last resort, perform an initialization that keeps saved data. This rebuilds system files without erasing user content. Make sure you back up saves to micro SD or Nintendo Cloud before any major step. If things go wrong, that backup is the single thing that prevents permanent data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.